Good morning, guys. It is April 14th. It is Saturday. We finished having breakfast and now we're just right here.
Yeah, I just eating breakfast too.
Yeah, you had breakfast too.
Yeah,
here's my girl.
Yeah,
on baby brother's walker. That is baby brother's.
Got to get the hook.
You need to get off. Here's Mr. Joseph. Mr. Joseph is ready for a morning nap.
Oh, guys, help!
So I think I'm going to put him down for his morning nap. And then I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning. And that is what we're going to be doing this morning. And then we'll see what we do later today. Probably nothing. We'll see. Hi, Mr. Joseph. Are you ready for a nap? Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, he's ready for his nap.
He's cutting my hair.
Yeah, we need to get your hair up.
Yeah, Lucy's got a haircut too. Yeah, just like me. And just like my parents.
Yeah. You're so cute. I love you.
And just like my pajama.
Your pajamas.
Yeah, Mom's changed me.
Yeah. Alright, so Mama's going to go put baby brother for nap time, okay?
Okay.
Hey guys, it is Sunday, April 15th. It is actually like 6 o'clock, I think, already. We just finished having some In-N-Out for dinner with Grandma, huh? And now we are waiting in the car. She went in to get Panda Express.
And show them what I'm wearing.
Okay.
And if I turn around, you could see him wearing a cape.
So he decided to wear his
Half a Robin
costume.
Well, I'm not wearing the whole thing, but
I'm telling him, and his dad told him to earlier, that he looks like
Clark Kent.
Yeah, like Superman with the glasses and the hair, and then he has
wait, so true. Look at I have that thing in the middle.
the hair, dude, the hair. And then he has like a Spider-Man shirt, but then he has like a cape and the belt of Robin. So you're just all over the place today.
It's either Damian Wayne or Dick Grayson.
And here's Miss Victoria. Let me show you guys. She's still having her In-N-Out. And Mr. Joseph is back there being a little whiny. Yep. Let me show you guys. I want to show them the doggy. Hold on.
Nice.
Alright, so like I said, we're outside of Panda. And there's this little cute doggy in the car right next to us. Knock on the door, see if you can get its attention.
Knock on wood.
Oh no, I think its owner's coming. And let me show you guys how ugly it is once again. It's like we have a couple of good, nice, warm days outside, and then it just goes back to being like super windy and cold and rainy. I think they have rain for tonight or tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow.
So
Which I love because no recess said no kid ever. But I don't. The camera cannot capture how much fog this is.
Good morning, guys. It is April 16th. It's Monday, beginning of the week. We just got back from taking Jonathan to school, and it is a rainy day again. There was even like a little bit of thunder. And yeah, so we're here. I'm gonna get Victoria's breakfast. Get something to eat for me, and then yeah, just probably do laundry today. That's never ending. And yeah, so that is what I'm gonna be doing this morning. Also, today is Monday and our trash passes tomorrow, Tuesday. So Monday I always like to just clear out the refrigerator. Like this is just like a old from like last week. Just clean it out. Some soup, which also needs to go in the garbage. I mean, it's pretty clean. We have orange juice, we have the French vanilla, milk, almond milk. This is also Victoria's milk from like a day ago. Cheese, Arizona apple juice, and then eggs, more eggs up here, some butter, the tortillas, cranberry juice, our ginger ale. This also all needs to go in the trash. This is from Saturday. I think I made burgers. Yeah, it was Saturday. And so it's just trash. And oh, put this in the sink. Hide dirty dishes. And yeah, we have some apples, some grapes, some mandarinas right here. And then over here we have our salad, lettuce, some carrots, some bell peppers. And right here we have Victoria's smoothies, some Capri Suns, more vanilla milk, hazelnut, coconut caramel latte, some whipped cream, Joseph's little yogurts, I can't even think, some Jell-O, more smoothies, and right here we have turkey, we have some cheese right here, some salsa. This is what, soy sauce, some Thousand Island, some frosting, which I don't even think it's going to be good anymore, mustard, syrup, A1 sauce, ketchup, barbecue sauce, and ranch. Well, there you guys have it. What I have in my refrigerator right now. Do you guys want to see what's in my freezer? Why not? I'm already showing you guys. Let's see. So right here we have our ice. We have, oh, see, these aren't even getting spoiled anymore because the bag was open. Mango chunks. Oh, definitely not good anymore. That goes in the trash. And, okay, let's see. Ice cream, mint chocolate chip. We have some Snickers, some M&Ms, some waffles, chicken. And then right here we have ground turkey, the chicken patties. We have some turkey bacon, our chicken breast, our veggie or vegetable blend, stir fry, hamburger meat, Victoria's chicken nuggets, which is what she will be having for breakfast, and turkey sausage. So that is what we have in our freezer. Hey guys, so Mr. Joseph is having some banana acai granola.
Yeah.
Let me see. That is what he is having for breakfast.
Guys, look.
Open your mouth.
Mom,
Open.
Mom,
Mmm.
look at that.
What is going on?
The turtle's butt is on back here for me. I'll show you later.
Oh, this one smells like bananas. Yeah. This one smells like bananas. Say hi, guys. Say hi, Mr. Joseph. 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 Oopsie. Open up. Open. Oh, good job, my boy. Oh, you're making some ugly faces. Is no yummy? Is no yummy? No, it's not, huh? Mwah. Okay, I think you just really do not like the banana. The banana flavor. Guys. Hey guys, so Mr. Joseph woke up from his morning nap. I changed his diaper, and if you would let me, boy. Let me see. Look it over here. Look it over here. We gotta put this on your little rash. Yeah, my bubba. There we go. All over the neck, around the chin. There we go. Hey guys, we are outside of Jonathan's school. The bell just rang, so I'm gonna get down, put the kids in their stroller, and go get Jonathan. Hey guys, it is April 18th. It is Wednesday, not Thursday. Wednesday. Say good morning.
Good morning, guys.
Yeah. And we are waiting in the car. Dad went to go get us our breakfast. We're going to have some breakfast burritos. And you're going to get some rice and some chicken.
Yeah. Baby brother's done see his yogurt at the wall.
Yeah, baby brother's over here. Look, guys, I got a haircut. It is so short.
Yeah.
I like it. It's straight.
Yeah, baby
But you guys know my hair is like a big old like just mess. It's like in between curly, wavy, frizzy.
Guys.
And so What, Victoria?
Baby's got a haircut too, guys.
Yeah.
And baby brother.
So I've never liked cutting it short. Like I've always wanted to cut it short, but I've never cut it short because I'm just like, it's just gonna poof up. So I'm definitely gonna have to, every time I take a shower, I'm gonna have to pass the straightener through a couple of times, but whatever. I got rid of all the like blonde dye that I had. There's just like a little bit left, but it's all gone. And yeah, so I like it, but like I said, oh my goodness, yeah.
Listen, Kuma.
Yeah, so I'm gonna have to definitely like control it because it's just gonna be crazy. But yeah, that is what we are doing this morning, just getting some breakfast, and I don't know if we're gonna go somewhere else. We'll see.